Here's the special one, I knew it was. Here's the special one, I knew it was. Going to Cardiff, that one. Cardiff, and when it says 4 carriages, you're near enough guaranteed one of these.
Is it 6?
Yeah, all together. Start waving at him then. Good boy, that's it. Is he waving? I can't see.
Well, I can't see.
I can't see. Oh yeah, he is. He's had a little. Yeah, he's had a little wave.
Wow. Awesome.
There we go.
It's all the train of Shrewsbury.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same line, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the same line. There we go. We'll watch him go, and then there'll be another one. Hey?
Look how that train is going round.
Right, it's going now.
There's only 5 carriages.
Hey?
5 carriages here. Only 5.
There we go. There we go. He's going now.
Where's this train going?
Chester, next stop. Chester's the next stop. We're on the other platform in a minute, yeah? There we go. Say wave, wave. There we go, say. No, there, look. There we go. Where's the first class carriage? Oh, there it is. That'll be my carriage. Buffet car. There we go. Right, we've got 2 more trains to see. This is the second part of being at Ruabon. I've got to pause, well, I've got to make really short videos because I've only got my mobile phone. And if I'm pausing the video on my mobile phone, it gets very, very warm. Right, let's have a quick walk down here. We've got two more trains yet.
What is that? How many
What?
carriages are now?
Yeah, 6.
How many are coming now?
You got 20 minutes yet for the next one.
How many carriages on this train now?
Well, the next one,
Yeah.
I don't know. Does it tell you? Oh yeah, 2
Well,
o'clock
where's
to
the train
Birmingham.
going?
Oh, he's 2 minutes late now.
And where's it going?
Next one's to Birmingham, and the one after that's to Birmingham.
Birmingham.
Yeah, Birmingham.
Let's go down.
Yeah, down here. I want to see the little.
No.
I want to see the little river thing.
No.
Well, you stay there then.
No.
Yeah, bye then.
No.
Look,
No. No.
some random shoes on the line.
No. No.
Sit down then. Go in there then. I'm gonna wave to the other train driver.
No.
Well, that's nice there. Look, little brook there. Right, let's go on the other platform then. You'll be here in a second, remember? So they're very close here, the same as Chirk of the Times. So it'll come here, and then we'll stay here and turn round and wave at him there, because we won't have time to get across the bridge, even though it's a short platform. So this one is going to Wrexham, Chester, North Coast, Wales. The other one is going... No, this is the Wrexham side. The other side's Birmingham side. Getting confused. Look, there's the plane. Can you see the plane? They're low here because they're taking off a landing at Manchester or Liverpool. They take off a land from. I would tell you, but I can't open up my plane app because it will interrupt our filming. Alright, let's just pause this because I'm only on my mobile phone. Oh, it's this one. Keep waving then. Start waving. Yeah, start waving. Come back because he can't see you. He can't see you. Come here. He can't see you. Start waving. Start waving. Start waving. Oh, he's waving. There we go. That's a 4. Oh, look. 2 sets. Birmingham, I think. There we go. Huh? Alright, yeah, I know it's 4 carriages, but it's 3 different ones. Yeah, you got a 158, which is the 2 carriagey thing, and then you got two 1 carriages, if that makes any sense. I'm not quite sure what numbers they are. Are they 150s? No, they're not 150s because they're 2 sets anyway. 153s? I don't know. The front 2 that are two separate units. This phone's getting really hot. I might be cooking it. I suppose I am in the sun, but most people record off video cameras and put them on the internet, but I don't have the internet, so it's just literally YouTube from my phone. There we go. I thought this one would have come here first, but obviously not. Right, that's going to Birmingham. This side's Wrexham. What? Yeah, the train manager's probably sat at the back because he opens and closes all the doors. The train driver doesn't do that. The train manager does all the doors and tickets and stuff. There we go. Now wait a minute and there should be one on this platform. Just pause it. Oh, it's a lovely day.
Where's that train going?
Into Birmingham.
Oh, where's this train going?
Chester.
Huh?
Wrexham, Chester. Yeah, so it's probably how I cooked my last phone, by making long videos. And so I have got another YouTube account, but I don't know how to get back on it because it was on my old phone. So if this one buggers up and I get a new phone, how do I get this YouTube channel on my new phone? If anybody wants to like let me know how you do that, because I'm not exactly sure. Do I just type in this Gmail into my new phone? Gmail? Yeah. Alright, never mind. I'm talking silly. Right, let's wait here.
Sticky weed.
What? Sticky what? Oh, sticky weed. Oh, is that where you throw it? Is that where you...
No, it isn't. It is a sticky weed.
No, that's not the sticky weeds where you throw at people and it sticks on them. I don't know where they are, but I'll find... There's some sticky weeds there. But they're next to stinging. But then, no, because it's next to stinging nettles.
Can you get it?
No, because it's stinging nettles. Right, let's pause this then. Here it is. Start waving again. Hey, what's this? Oh my god, it's another one. Ah, we got two of these in one go. That's amazing.
Yeah. Where did we see?
Make sure I'm recording. Oh, we've seen 2 of these. It's bloody hell, that's rare. It's usually 1. See you later. That's it. You keep waving. Is he waving at you? I know, he's got to concentrate and slowing down, isn't he? There he goes. He's waving at you. See? See? He's waved. It's a lady train driver, yeah. These are rare, but they're not as rare as what I think they are. That's cool, isn't it? What? No, there's 6. 6. Oh. I thought I could hear this in the distance. So what is this? 67 class. Right, here we go. Turn it around this way for a change. Ready? Yeah, it's gonna go now. See how many people wave at you? That's one. The train manager waved at you. Oh, Buffy's actually in order. There's your first class again. There we go. So we'll have to remember the times, so next time when we come here we can see the same trains. So what time did we get here? I can't remember. Oh, what is it? 2 o'clock now. Was it 1 o'clock? I think it was 1 o'clock we were here. I don't know.
Do you know what I'm doing with this?
What are you doing with that?
This making me so hot.
You mean you're cooling yourself down with it? You're cooling yourself down, you mean?
Yeah, to make me to cool down to my hair. Make my hair cool down so I can be so hot.
Oh bloody hell! The next train on there's not for another 2 hours. That's a good job we come here. I wouldn't have waited.
No,
So we've been here just over an hour and we've crammed in 5 trains. Because obviously the Cardiff trains that we've just seen, the 6 carriagey things. The Cardiff trains, the 6 carriagey things are on a different route to the normal 158s. What?
When did we see that train?
What train?
The one now.
Oh, hang on, let me just zoom this in because it's catching my phone.
Did we see
older.
this train about at Shrewsbury?
No,
train.
no, we haven't seen. Yeah, we've seen the autumn train at Shrewsbury. That's that one little single carriage that stops at every station to crew. We haven't seen these 67s at Shrewsbury yet.
Hey, there's one train track where we've never been.
Where?
To the autumn.
Yes, we've been to Yorton before. We'll go to Wrexham.
That's a long time ago.
One day we'll go to Wrexham and do some train spotting there.
Yeah.
And we'll work up the line and then we'll go to Chester. But I won't go any further than Chester. Oh, there's Mummy wondering where we are.
What's train spot?
Hey, and we saw 2 of those class 67s.
Is that it now?
Oh, sorry, let me speak in English. They've got 6 carriages. Old
Mommy!
GNER carriages. Right, see ya. Bye bye.